Once it touches, it's close. Oh, get a picture of that.
You ready? Ready? Yeah. No, okay, that's good. Ready?
Go. Time. It's going.
All right.
Yeah, good luck.
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Oh, I'm impressed.
Yeah. Boy. Oh, this is oh man, look at that! Yeah.
Turn the other way, left, just left. Just get left.
Get across, go.
More right. No, right.
You're over!
Go.
Turn around. Keep going. You might as well go to crawdads.
Keep going.
Woo-hoo!
Keep going, keep turning.
Go, you've got about 7 minutes. Wow. Team. CK, you are doing awesome. All right, Rude, watch out.
Yeah. Rude, look out, Amy.
Amy, watch out.
Keep going.
Wow. All right, keep going, CK. Done. Clear. Can we break 2 minutes? That is a crushing victory. 1 minute, 13.2 seconds. That's a 2-minute lead over the next closest. Hey, somebody grab the bag! Wow. Yeah. And you can beach it. Wow, very nice. I want to go now. Huh? Heck no. If we had a chance, yeah, but no way. Yeah. That was miserable and I'm running out of steak.
I got it.
Boy, your bag is dragging down there.
You guys better win. You guys don't beat the time.
All right, keep your bag out of the water. Go. Jump on one. Oh, that's cool. Oh, no! Craig, go. Oh, the raft is awesome. The rafter sucks.
Board design kicks butt. The oar. We'll patent the oar.
Let's go, Craig. Well, you're 1 step ahead of Amy's paddling.
Am I moving?
Yes, you are.
It doesn't feel like it.
Muscle up, man. Go deeper. Come on, Ron took like 5 minutes to get to where you are. Yeah. You got 23 seconds to get around this sucker and up there. Come on, Greg. You got 13 seconds. What do you mean 13 seconds? Ahead of our time? Huh? You good? Clear.
Go, turn around.
You got 3 seconds.
Faster, come on.
Oh, you're officially in 2nd place.
Dig hard, Greg, dig hard. Use the ground. Don't leave anything in the tank. Come on.
Work for it.
Oh, you've got
There you go.
Uh-oh. You better hurry before that weight gets over here, man. You're going down. You're almost there, Craig.
Keep going.
Paddle, bye-bye.
Oh no, here comes the wake.
Push it back upstream.
Will he make it?
Some crack.
As long as it's the paddle, man.
Front end is starting to sink a little bit there.
Oh, a little turbulence.
One more. Let's go, Greg. Dig. Cover.
Yeah!
214.8.
time him? Sure.
2:14.